Ebusian for aha Egg and SMTVGH. Message, like, comment, subscribe. The notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Yen no one off. Dodona free John Mahama Krum. They have seen the second independence. John Mahama second independence. No moninji. Almost see. Sa independence John Mahama de ba no. Eya manie. Edi owo. Edi ekom. Edi ntokwa. Na edi nam. Adentia. Yanem say. Me de man ko hold at but ya te say. Uko nov honema. There are some places, they are very hard to reach. Armed robbers were quite so insecurity needs and some no. And to those hard to reach areas, Nininano, under Akufo-Addo government, because of Adia zipline drone delivery, so be yari wawa, those people's lives could be saved. And it was something that as on my, at least we could be proud of, we could boast of. Say, even though a kwano nyeno, say we yari ro baby and you will force say we yari. Government should be able to intervene in time for your life to be rescued. Now I know folks say, ayo mu yapa say, ayo mwa munipa. Omwa munipo. John Mahama. Na ye oman peni na omusi John Mahama no so no na ye mu ya omusi ni say onu onim no of honum ye onim how hard it is to get to places, to access places. And say wo a ye nipa unima enyanda yuna bibiti said drone delivery e ba be collapse wo. But what are we saying? Under John Mahama, drone delivery is saying in there. Aye basa. You're into a complete mess. Drone delivery, no? Complete mess. And there is no hope in sight. Absolutely no hope. Now, you see, Ghana for nothing is happening yet. When you know your warm up, she can't see you. She can't see you. Let's go and listen to our friend from the north who had this to say. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. This is the voice of MPP. Cheers.
Drone bino. Inte chise ye frefre. Ye frefre ye nye bino. E be free takrade. And a drone within a matter of 30 minutes. Na zipline for the drone no the drone aba ama me fiura ene oda so ti ase odi ne kokoska. So and then this for by ya almost a contract no ntimi nto aso bi inti Mahama ya lega se aban no yenden entwem. Fine, omutwem a eye na ye ne se Ghana fo a ka drone no ebeje omonkwa no ene ombehu sebe omugimi sorry obehu omubone anwade omaye
Akurugu menka sorry menka sorry omujimi
good enti say wuti baby ti say a friend priest a ka entimi nkoho na se wo yere kowo na so be hia moja na se moja no ambulance ntimi nkoho ka ntimi nkoho moto ntimi nkoho na Dr. Bawumia enam MPP so adwene we mie na zipline drones e de blood ne be brew ama e de age oyere nkwa na se wo so wo mpe na nkran dokon bo aye dene eni nti dokon bo aye de nti no wo to aban papa na to agu akofa John Drama ni Mahama aban ba eni so oba betwem no na me de so we de o twem na sebe ahiafo agimifo no omunhu omo levels de du mre se wu a no wu ewo bu eni ni di mo ade wo ho akebeti agye wo nkwa no wo de kokromoti ene nkran dokon bo a wo se aye dinti e de akwa short change no ama nne hwede to omai menua enche kra na waye kifo release wasi results na ba me ye proprietor me run me private school into I'm much into education na ya rehusem say for the first time in the history of this country for about 13 years now for the first time within 13 good years nkura kɔtwerɛ nsɔhwɛ afeli pɔtɔɔ na pɔtɔɔ no ɔma feli no there's something behind it na nipa bi ma yɛ ɔma adwene sɛ bi a nkura no ɛyɛ nkura a ɔmo kɔ free AHS and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo for the last 3 years nti so ɔma bɔn de a ɛne MPP na ankyerɛ nkura na de MPP aban na ntimi provide quality education ama ɔma ntimi ampaase ba ma nka no korɛ wɔ free SHS na head cost no ana aban we pese wote so nti sanete dia let's mark them down yin feli wo mo nti se nkura 2000 asem kan se nkura 2000 aseka ombe passe ana ombe ko second ombe passe akọ tertiary institutions akọ enjoy what do you call it akọ enjoy free tertiary education na free stress fees na no why then what so or man krana feel sene be ya nkra dodo ebeko nursing training nkra dodo ebeko teacher training college na eso be den ebete sene be ya allowances a obetua no ho no so be den eso bete or man krana feel simply because opese nkra dodo a omobeko other technical universities ebeko other places aban no ewo responsibility for them no obetimi atesa head cost no so anu nti ana o marking kwada ne down now if for not anything kurana menua yet woman we say now our security has become an issue now. Yewura John Dramani Mahama I media menye asantini menya akani but akanfo mu bu baby mosi penyini ntintesio nto ho mfa ne tachere manfa se bi baby wo ho sa se penyini ntintesio nto ho emfa ne tachere manfa asechira me ti ase ne se emra no opposition wo nka asem se ade we de mempene menye na afede oba nya tumi wie ya afede na wo ye ntintesio tantan a woteto ho no eno nenne wasade utachere ma bom a wotafre ni nyina de meka kosi eso ene se omampanyini John Dramani Mahama eka kire yen in opposition se omma government appointee and obi oye abanya dwuma ne tama so ese okọ pension bia no omma no contract on reward no by extension so the big can fee ho yankasa ya IGP tete we you know say whatever he call himself ene nimfiaso ese okọ pension president awoka say it's wrong to extend people's service or people's year and give them contract no and ne o president corona we are doing the same thing ade awoka in opposition not too long ago say the nanado aya enye no and ne wo ba ya ade corona na wo so wo ye bi so what kind of person are you you so ye penyin asebe penyin kontompofo na adafo a wodi ntoro ai ni kwan say eboa oman enkoso ebeboa oman mpuntuo ade ba ko biema John Dramani Mahama kan ye in opposition a oba ban we omnya tumi a oye a ya wore hosem eni se ye nuanom nkuma na omo nursing training colleges ekogina open top so ka kire wo mo se moto aba e de mame na me be ye president a me reverse mo appointment into automatic posting ana nurse fu eboje so he na omo no ma je omo allowance onu Mahama ne betwa mu na nado betua allowance de ma nurse student no omo yi sika na omo de kire camera sika no ya je allowance na ya je enie nso aba no ye nto ma na nado ye nto ma MPP because wa show omo bosse wo ba automatic reposting wo be ye ho adwuma ene wo ba ide na wo ye wo hwe fa ne 2025 budget ya menua our host so over 150,000 trained nurses we say you have no physical space to employ them. You have no physical space to have financial clearance for them. When your fiscal space increasing government appointee salary by 76%. Na MCE and now 5,000 in the days of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no. And then Obabeji 35,000 Ghana cedis, say 350 million. Obabeji says already. Now when you say can be infantry nurses near teacher for ka. I will host some say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the MPP are binding who say na yesi ye fan nurses fo nyina adwuma kora na hospitals ben mu ana omukwa akoye adwuma no ehefa facilities ben mu ana de omukwa akogu say financial clearance kora wo ho ana yesi omu nyina yakwa akoye adwuma hospital ben mu ana de omukwa akogu ana adwene ne nyansa ewa MPP fo trim ye de ba say yensi hospitals mako 111. This hospitals mako 111 on average. Baako biya krafa adwuma 400 at a shift. That is say morning, afternoon, night. A 3-shift system now hospitals no running in dadano. Omo running 24/7. Oh my mudadano. Hospital baako biya on average krabenya adwuma 4 best 300 krampa times 111. Nipa dodo sen ana ka mon nurses fui ka MPP aban entimi create adwuma ema monye nanso mukotie na da kontompo azaa nipa bi te se John Dramani Mahama ne NDC fo so ohunu ama mokoto ma abaye den e de ma ana ne mo se ebubu nnuam ana wo se onni fiscal space on the befa adwuma nemum obenye sika they are increasing in government appointee salary. And now me know say NDC Deputy General Secretary, I'm from Mustafa Bandios, Mustafa whatever. He's on tape. Our country Ghana for say every month presidency at the 20,000 Ghana cedis constituency PR. Now, how many constituencies do we have in this country times that 20,000 Ghana cedis? And how many nurses, how many teachers can this money pay them every month? And so, nurses for your commonotum, a yankopon, aketua, and a diabomoso. A teacher for more public schools. Yana ya, who teacher nibi, no washem Mahama t-shirt. No, Tonyo Mahama is the who, Mahama is the who, king, no more, na see no more identity, no more dear chile. Kaya expect say ka teachers, kamoye educated, moye intellectuals. You can reason between the lines. No who say NDC the contompone na da adie no moye. A teacher for intimia and minute and reason with the MPP government. Ano muko di Mahama echi enne on some allowance asese mo nsaka nyina no watwa ne nyina mu so ndua allowance asese odi ma teacher for on say this month ama iti ye ka NDC fo asema ye betimi aka ka ye nwie kanta na asem na wie nyina ne se enne ye MPP fo ye nyina be really behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye nyina di entumi ene ya hoodene the little resources obia wo bia no ye nyina de beta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi na ye campaign mu otene na ye de papa no aba power me meka se 2024 aba ye lusu ye MPP fo ye ankasa na epeja otumi no ahoye na ye bre ni tanti ye de koma NDC fo ana oje ne boko because Mahama de every right thinking mind in this country knows say Mahama is the ever incompetent president. Na kaini kwan say Ghana for money to me. But ihe na kukuru ye e de koma ye. Menu ya de ntia make say ihe anka say na kukuru to me ni koma John Dramani Mahama ne say. I'm in the forest French communities ye wo kuku hu adwuma ne ye. Emrante ne maba wa MPP abanfa o madwuma na omo ye pruning omoye kuku mass spraying ana aban etue omoka secretary ne kamu bosome baako bosome mienu atemdidi ne kasa omobekasa ewu kroyi mu ebeka nsem ya te se de omo obi esisi omo kwan sonku bi so bibi ya bi Muka sansem ya ni nyina na eto nkrofo ni trim se MPP aban ne nye. Ene mo ye ma MPP aban no koye. So wadwuma abo. So akotena fi. Ba me de mna so te bia metia. So hono. Nti ye MPP fo ne kukuru tumi no e de koma NDC fo. Nti se ye ho beba ye ho so. Ne ye be kai ye kane do a ne ye wode ma MPP. Na ye nyina di entumi ne ahoɔdene obi akɔna bi owo bia no obe projecting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as the best man to lead Ghana to the promised land. Ɛno ne ade abɛboa ɔman yi mpuntu. Sɛ ne Singapore, Malaysia, China, Japan, these Asian countries are na emere bi atwam ne no mu nyinaa was the same scale, the same level by way of development. Na sɛ ne ɔmatimi advance a consistency in right direction. And a poor momutimi a progress ye drew baby omadun. It is a Ghana ibetime progress ye do that level. Now ye hear vision leader like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na mini okasa ya me beka say no kafa obo Collins Dauda. Me nene constituency you share boundaries. In fact, ya ben pa I go to his constituency every day. Wakana seat niso as MP for God knows when. Free 1992 is only one term, and we free small baby be take over one term or some back. Na so kona kwa hwene constituency ade papa bia no e kwan kure free mahame go so kwanta e ko ne krom na de so ba mahame won o mampanyin kofo abreso ana ye beyeye. Nanso nkofo no da so di akire to abama no. Segreme housing unit na kesi $200 million Ghana dollars. Also would see 5,000 housing unit. Say $200,000 ne esaya no was 1,005. 1,005 no so krana. They are all at different stages of completion. Na ebi kura foundation level. Ebi adano ya penti achire nyina na so na frames krampo enhihim. Septic tanks be nothing. I said would in preku kura kugu danum kura na nyede enye. Na such person e wo court na aban way buyer or say I'm not interested in the case. No akwa say another principle whatever prosecute they call it. Na ye jan na sa nipa ne nam ho. Na sa nipa kro na sa be free press conference e ba be ka kire yen say lithium agreement no let's take 5% na the betimi enya no per our loss. So nti ya na ya wure hosem na kana sa twanani asa abehwe ye MPP fo ya ne ye mpanyinfo ni bi se biti bonds kosrofo MPP mpanyinfo ni bi omo party numa asa abro ne etrimodene ahye omoma no na sinyankopon ya adom na 31st ye to ba wie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebeye the leader of the party ho ne behwe sa mpanyinfo nanim aka no kure bia den akire wo na do betena party no na watana na do be firi makono na wa firi mukọ na ye de nsiye ene etene aye adwumadene e de ata Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi me nua me ma no besia na magya ma obi ato